Hi folks, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my pit barrel cooker. I know you probably can see some other videos of this online. The few that I've seen were ones that people received for free, so I want to make sure that I do one as if you bought it yourself. I actually paid for mine, and so I did buy an add-on accessory package, so I'll make sure I get all sorted out so you know exactly what you'll get if you buy one by itself or if you get one of the add-on packages. They have 3 add-on packages. I think it's the Select, Choice, and Prime. I got the middle one, the Choice, which includes everything in the Select. That was about $200 more. So I won't have the stuff that you get in the Prime package, but let's take a look and see what's in the box. Well, first of all, you get this nice box. Okay. There you go. Welcome to the Barrelution. Thank you for your business. Oh, that's so nice. Alright, so get some beef and game pit rub. That, I believe, just comes with it if you buy the pit barrel by itself. Some all-purpose pit rub. Let's see. Must be just documentation. I'm guessing that's a sticker, maybe? No, that's and a little advertisement to get a thermometer. And our packing list. Got a nice lid here. I'm not sure what that's all about. I'll probably send an email about that. I don't know what that is, or if that's bad or good. Because it's all rough over here, and then these smooth areas, it's like they didn't get something sprayed on. So I will probably contact them about that. I hate to have a lid go bad. Start rusting or something, because I don't know why it is that way. Right. Make sure you can see what's in here. I don't know actually. Oh, this has the hooks in it and the horseshoe handle for the lid, I would imagine. Oh, there's the hooks. I'll need to cut that. The hardware to attach the handle. It looks like they even give you the wrench in there and the screwdriver, so that's handy. So you get 8 hooks. Here's one of them. So you see the part hooks onto, and this hooks onto your meat. another piece of cardboard. This looks like the standard grate. I'm gonna see, this must be the one that comes with it. And then here's the stand that your barrel goes on top of. So there we go. There's the stand. So you can see with the standard grate, that's all it is. It's just grate. Doesn't hinge or anything. Alright, here's the hinged grate. Or in the event you want to hang something and have a grate for it. This is in the select package, so this is an add-on, or you can buy it by itself. The ashtray, or ash pan, also in the select package, so this is the first add-on package, or you can get it by itself. A pit barrel koozie. That is in the choice package. So 2 packages up. Pit barrel mug that comes in the choice package. You can also get these for about $9 by themselves. Kind of not a bad mug. A hanging basket. This is in the select package. Or choice package. I'm sorry. This is in the choice package. I believe you can get that in the, there's a hangers ad thing you can buy, and I saw it at Ace Hardware at least. This is either the corn or the, I think this is the corn holder. So that's in the choice package. I believe this is the sausage hanger. No, corn hanger, I'm sorry. The corn hanger, which comes in the choice package. A turkey hanger, which comes in the choice package, and 4 10-inch hanging skewers, also the choice package. A nice beer stein, also in the choice package. This is glass, I'm pretty sure, so gotta be careful with that one. There's that Off the hook good. Pit Barrel Cooker Company. So choice package on that. A little chimney, which is this is from what I'm told a must-have. Just a little chimney. This is smaller than, say, your Weber chimney because it needs to get down into that barrel when you're lighting up your coals. So get one of these. This comes in the select package. So the first add-on package, you can get this, or you can go buy one by itself, of course. There, let's just get a better look at that. There we go. I don't want to wrap around it. Pretty simple little thing, but it's nice and small. I'm sorry I'm not taking everything out of the plastic. I'm going to do that as I need it because I don't have anything to put all the stuff in. But here's the pit grips. Now just gloves, heat resistant gloves pretty much. This comes in the select package. So in the first add-on package. Here's a custom fitted cover to fit over your pit barrel if you leave it outside, or I guess just wherever you want to leave it. But also in the select package. So select package is only $100 to add on. Here's the sausage hot dog hangers. This is in the choice package. The ultimate hook tool. So this has a bottle opener on one side and a little loop thing to grab onto the hooks, pull them off when they're too hot. This comes in the choice package, so this is a little bit pricier add-on. Here's your charcoal tray. This obviously just comes with the unit. So this is not an add-on, this comes with the unit. Put all your charcoal in there, and when you light it, this is what everything's gonna be burning at the bottom of the barrel. Pretty heavy duty feeling. Alright, and here's the two hanging poles. So these go in the top of the cooker. You hang everything off of these. Oh, these are pretty heavy duty feeling. And this is the standard hook lifter tool, hook tool. So wood, kind of cheap feeling, but it'll do the job, right? And these both also just come with the barrel, so if you buy them, that's what you get. Let's see, is there anything I forgot? Alright. So obviously I still need to get the lid on there, get the lid assembled. But kind of nice looking machine. Let's see. Let's look down here. I don't know if you can see this. I'll try to zoom in. So there's a vent down here. And you're supposed to set to your, this is loose, I guess I have to tighten it up. But you set this to your altitude and it gets up to the temp that it's supposed to get to. So there you go. I'm going to email them about that coating on the lid and we'll see what they say. Alright folks, so thanks for watching. Hope you got a good idea what you get when you buy the pit barrel cooker and what you get with each package. Cheers, we'll catch you next time.